Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if TikTok crashing on your iPhone step by step. Step 1. Force quit TikTok. Swipe up from the bottom and hold. Find TikTok, swipe it up to close, then reopen the app. This clears temporary app glitches. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up the side button, slide to power off, turn your iPhone back on. Most app crashes are fixed by a quick restart. Step 3. Update TikTok. Open the App Store, then search for TikTok. Tap on update if available. Old version of TikTok crash obtained. Step 4. Check iPhone storage. Go to the settings, then general, then iPhone storage. If storage is full, delete unused apps or videos. TikTok needs free space to load videos smoothly. Step 5. Check internet connection. Toggle airplane mode on, then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if needed. A weak connection can make TikTok freeze or crash. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. Install the latest update. New iOS versions fix bugs affecting the apps like TikTok. This is how you can fix if TikTok crashing on your iPhone in easy steps. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.